Justin here with Pine Acres RV here in Stewiacke, back with another super fresh arrival, guys. This is a super cool, huge bunkhouse unit, guys. 2020 Bullet Ultralight by Keystone, 331 BHS on the model number, guys. Look at the exterior of it. Huge front end storage. There is power jacks front and back, guys. Huge awning, 2 exterior speakers. You even got a little outdoor kitchen there and solid steps to get in. And on the other side, we got 2 massive slides, guys. Come on inside, let's check her out. Just inside the door here, we got 2 awesome closets. Great for shoes and stuff like that, so you're not tripping over them. And then boom, coats right here. What more can you ask for? All your unit controls are conveniently right inside the door, and we're gonna go straight into this bunk room here. So boom, check this out. 4 bunks in here that can either be a couch or another bunk. Super big bed down below. Bunk up here, put it up, give you extra headroom. And then close the door for a second. We got 2 more single bunks, little storage area for the kiddos. And you can't have a bunk room without a TV, right? Close the door. Get away from us, kids. Come on out, guys. All right. Into the living / kitchen area. You got directly across from your couch. Beautiful, actually super comfy couch. Beautiful TV there. Maybe 32-inch. I don't know. I'm not great with TV sizes. Stereo deck for inside, outside entertainment. And tons of storage down below and up top. Now, coming up further into the unit, lovely huge windows in the slide out. There is a huge dinette here with sleeping capabilities. Down underneath, you got some extra storage. And directly across from that, you have a nice countertop extension with some more pull-out drawers. Huge one-piece sink. Oh, I should probably put that down. Anyways. Tons of storage up above that sink, and beside it, of course, you also in the corner have the power tower, which I love. Gives you GFI protected plugs with some phone charging capabilities as well if you're trying to follow a recipe or something. Down below, you got some extra storage underneath the sink. 3-burner Furrion cooktop with a great size oven, Furrion range, and a Furrion microwave. Domestic refrigerator does work on gas and electric, so wherever you go, you're going to have some power to that fridge, guys. Okay. Drop that puppy down. And our furnace and AC controls are conveniently right there to keep you cool or warm. Into the bathroom. I love that it has the second door to the bedroom. Tons of space in here, guys. Store all your towels and face cloths here. Tons of space around the toilet. Vent up top. Medicine cabinet with a great size vanity and under the sink. And we got to get in the shower. Oh yeah, good size. Glass doors on here. Probably super easy to clean. Wouldn't know I don't have glass doors on my own shower. And then close that up and we're straight into the bedroom. Bedroom does come with a TV. You do got some more storage up underneath the bed. Great for his and hers, I guess. His and hers closets on either side. Both have end tables with phone charging capabilities. Also great if you have a CPAP in there. You got some plugins for that. Open up one of these. Actually, I'll come over closer to you guys. Boom. Boom. And then, oh, making me get a workout for this. Over here, you do have a nice little, they call it a laundry chute. So basically, you can put a hamper or something down there. Drop your dirty clothes down there, and then take them out through the cupboard. Folks, if you like this unit and you want to get into it for yourselves, go squeeze out here. Come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke Exit 11. Don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.